Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can express track on Pandabuy. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Pandabuy. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the top right corner and then click on your profile icon. Once you click on your profile icon, here in this list, you're going to find user center, order, warehouse, per sale, wallet, and lastly, the logout option. Make sure that you are signed in to your account and then click on user center. Once you click on user center, right here next to your profile icon, you're going to find your balance. Under it, you're going to find top up and withdraw. And right here, you're going to find your Pandabuy points, coupons, and lastly, the growth value. So go to this list on the left and then search for order. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And right here, you're going to find all of your orders. As you can see, guys, I don't have any orders yet. So if you have any orders, you can track them by selecting the order. And right here, you're going to find the track button. All you need to do, guys, is click on it and then you can see where is your order. As you can see, guys, I'm right here in Panda backnote. Right here, this article talks about track order, how to track the package of your order. When your order is dispatched, we'll send you an email with your tracking details so you can follow its journey. You can also come here and enter your tracking number below to check your package status. Don't worry if the tracking system shows no results or not found. Just try again in a few days because it may take 3 to 5 days to reflect in the tracking system, although the package is already on its way. Processing time usually takes between 1 to 5 days, but may take up to 2 weeks. Please contact us if your tracking number is not up after 2 or 3 weeks. So you can just paste your tracking number right here and then click on track and you will be able to track your order. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.